Everyone, I'm G Tarun from class 9th ICSE from Miranda English Medium School. This is my neighbor Mrs. Preeti Aunty. Hi Aunty.
Hello, Tarun.
I have participated in a competition RCT Art Challenge organized by Bala Janagraha and my topic is climate change. I'll ask you some questions related to this Aunty.
Okay, carry on.
How do you get to office Aunty?
I take my bike, Tarun.
You could use bicycles Aunty. Bicycles, public transport which could reduce pollution to the nature and it will be good.
Yeah, that's good idea. I'll probably look after that
Thank you.
in future.
Do you what do you eat mostly? Aunty? Home cooked food or fast food?
Of course, home cooked food. It is
And-
healthier.
What type of stove do you use? Aunty? LPG or electric?
LPG.
And if you use electric stove, it also gases won't emit from those LPG gases. Electric stoves would be better. I suggest.
Okay.
That's it. Our questions in here, Aunty. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Mrs. D. Boneshwari working in Kids Castle LBS as a teacher. Hi ma'am.
Hello, Tarun.
I have come here to ask you some questions on my topic climate change. Do you use LPG or electric gas stoves ma'am?
I use LPG, sometimes I use electricity also.
Yeah, that is a good thing, but try to use electric gas stove frequently,
Yes.
but that doesn't pollute our nature.
I will do that.
After corona pandemic, would you prefer public or private transport?
Obviously, I don't go outside. Only in emergency time I go outside. I use only private vehicles.
Yeah, that is good because many people are suffering from this pandemic.
Yes.
So after this pandemic, try to go in public transport.
Yes.
Do you use coal products?
No, I never use coal products.
Yeah, because using coal products can cause air pollution in nature. What is the average electricity that you consume, ma'am?
We consume 45 to 50 units.
Yeah, that is a good electricity consumption. Would you like to install solar cells?
Yes, in future I am planning to install solar cells.
Yes, ma'am, that is a good thing. Thank you for giving a space for me for these questions.
Welcome, Tarun.
Mr. D. Gopal working in Globe Ground India as an employee. Hi, sir.
Hi.
And I have come here to ask you some questions on my topic.
Okay.
How many vehicles do you possess, sir?
2.
Yeah, that is average vehicle. Do you use vehicle even for walkable distances?
No.
Yeah, that is a very good habit because many people use vehicles for short distances. Do you own AC, sir, air coolers?
No.
Yeah, that is good because many people own ACs and that produces CFC gases which causes the ozone layer depletion and UAV rays enter the earth and causes cataract to the peoples. Do you have gardens or pots, sir?
Pots.
Yeah, that is a good habit growing plants in pots. How many plants did you plant, sir?
Or 10 or 15.
Yeah, that is a very good thing. You're saving nature, sir.
I'm Deepak Kesar of Class 9 ICSE, studying in Miranda English School. Here with me, I have Mr. Srinivas, my neighbor.
Hi.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Deepak.
I'm participating in a competition named Our City, Our Challenge, organized by Bala Janagra. And I've chosen my topic as climate changes. As in our neighborhood, climate changes has been a common problem and the temperature of our city is also increasing day by day. So I am here to ask some questions related to the topic which may help me to know more about the carbon emission in our neighborhood. So your question goes like this, sir.
Please go ahead, Deepak.
How do you get to office?
I usually use two-wheeler every day.
You can use even bicycles or follow a public vehicles which reduces the emission of carbon.
100%. I have a plan of buy a bicycle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a good idea.
Thank you.
And what do you eat mostly? Like fast foods or home cooked food?
Home food. I preferably use only home food.
That's good. What type of stove do you use?
We use a gas stove.
Yes, I guess you have to use electric stove which reduces the carbon emission and use of natural gases.
We'll go definitely in future, Deepak.
So, thank you sir. Our questions end over here.
Yeah.
Thank you for giving an interview.
Thank you so much, Deepak. All the best.
Hi, Deepak.
Today I'll be asking you some questions. Will you answer?
Yes, I am ready.
So your question goes like this. Do you use coal products?
No, we are not using coal products.
Oh, that's good. And do you have garden or pots?
Yeah, we have 40 plants in our garden.
Oh, After Corona pandemic, what would you prefer? Private transports or public transport?
Private transports.
I guess you have to start using public transport as it reduces carbon emission. And would you like to install solar panels or solar cells?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for answering, Mama.
Thank you, Deepak.
Hi Deepak.
Today I'll ask you some questions. Will you answer it?
Yes.
So your questions are like this. Do you use vehicle even for walkable distance?
No.
That's good. Do you own an air conditioner?
No.
That's good. What type of gas stove do you use? Electric or LPG?
LPG gas stove.
I guess you have to start using electric stoves.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you Deepak.